Good morning, good morning. Ooh-wee. Yep. Time for coffee, yes. Great night of sleep. Butter already left. It's like 8 o'clock, a little before 8 o'clock. My first resupply, but I'm bouncing it to probably Parisburg because I got some food at Marion. Like a lot of food actually, so I'm gonna just bounce it over there. And yeah, about to get ready. It's gonna be a big day today. Gonna get to Chestnut Knob Shelter, or maybe even just keep walking. But yeah. Look, guys, you guys just pinpoint where you've been, and look, Jersey, the green, the little small green thing above the blue. Yeah, cool, man. Got coffee brewing. Privy time. It's a beautiful morning on a cloudy day. That was the privy. Privy. It's exactly like a privy, but you know, it has a nice toilet seat. That's the chapel over there. Wow. Yeah. Alright, we got some breakfast. This is some cinnamon toast crunch with some milk provided. Got a nice cup of coffee, beautiful. And this is the bread that they could offer that you could just eat. And this is like award-winning jam, I heard. That's like came in first place, so I'm gonna try that. Grape was all gone. But I'm fine. I think this is like strawberry and this is like peach or something. We're gonna try that out. Yeah, I got peanut butter in the bag. So hey everybody, here at Bear Garden Hostel. It's around, let me check, 8:59. Yeah, so I am gonna head out soon, you know, just eat breakfast, drinking my coffee right now. Probably gonna have another breakfast sandwich before I leave. But yeah, I just wanted to thank more donation or to the people who donated more. This is the list right here. Donations. We have 24 people since the last time, so I just want to shout out to them before I get going this morning. So let's get started. I'd like to thank Donna W, Carrie B, Paul M, OBC, Jason P, J, Matt N, Fran R, that's happy, yeah, Susan K, Lorray, Marcia D, Stephen A, Timothy M, Rufus T, Robin D, Samuel S, Sarah T, Tyler S, OBC twice, Lanny H, Mary B, Gregory B, Sherry M, Nurse Shark, Ruth A, and Chris M. 24 people. I'd like to thank you guys once again. Some of you guys did donate twice from last time as well, so I really do appreciate that. And also I'd like to thank all the trail angels that have been supportive. You know, Vince, shout out to you, Vince. Fran, Happy, shout out to you. I mean, you know, meeting you and just hearing your story and having dinner with you and your son. I mean, wow, like you definitely gave me a little bit of insight into things that I don't see about myself, so I really do appreciate that. Met Jerry, another trail angel. He rides around in a school bus, feeding hikers around the Marion area, so shout out to him. Carrie and Jim Sparks, they do shuttles into Marion, and they're donation based, and you know, very nice, man, very nice. I mean, before they dropped me off, Carrie gave me this salve thing that she made for cuts and insect bites and stuff like that. So I really do appreciate that. I mean, she has been watching my videos too, so she is definitely a supporter. So I'd like to thank you. Yeah, I mean, everyone's just been so kind. And also, I'd like to shout out all the people who comment on my videos, who watch my videos. I mean, yeah, it really, it really means a lot, and it just motivates me more. I mean, I'm a quarter away done. It's so crazy how many miles I've done, how far I've got here, you know. I was just thinking about this the other day. Like, I saw my very first video, and it's so crazy just to see. It's like how far I've come. I mean, I never had any backpacking experience, never set up my tent before this, never bear hanged, never did camping a lot. I mean, I really just threw myself into this, and I don't know, I guess it surprised me, and I'm thinking it surprised a lot of people too, but I'm still out here. I'm still going. I'm not gonna quit. Even my bad days, I don't quit. Like, that's just me, you know, like, I don't know how to explain it, like, but but thank you for the support. I mean, it just drives me even more, you know, and I never would have thought that I would have had all these followers, supporters, you could say. Just, you know, I'm real humbled by it because I don't know, it's just so crazy to think that you guys all want to follow me. I like to also shout out all the other hikers, you know, who I've been meeting. It's just been so nice. Honestly, it's been so cool meeting them, running into them, and some of them knowing me beforehand. I mean, that's just crazy. But shout out to them. I mean, great conversations, great people. I'm realizing that everyone has a story, you know, from the people who run the hostels to the people who do trail magic to the people who hike the trail. Like, everyone has a story. It's not just me, you know, and I want to shine light on that, you know, that everyone is out here for a reason, and like I just don't want it to be about me for sure. But yeah, shout out to the other hikers, to everyone who is a part of this community. I just really dig it a lot, you know. And and I like to thank Early Riser. Early Riser's really been so supportive. Not to me, but I feel like he like supports all the other thru hikers, you know, who do the YouTube thing too. So, you know, shout out to him, ER71. You know, real cool, humble guy, man. Honestly, I hope I get to meet you one day. You know, I would love to just, um, you know, just interview you, or even just, I don't know, maybe just shake your hand and just be like, "You're cool, man." That's so cool that he yeah, gives me advice and everything like that. You know, I really do appreciate that. Shout out to you, ER, you know. Um, yeah, so there's, I'm here right now at Bear Garden Hiker Hostel. It's decently nice, yeah. I'm thinking the vibes here, yeah. Um, I'm about to hike out today. I know a few other people are coming in here today, but yeah, I'm just gonna get going. It is gonna rain today, but I'm fine. I'm gonna set up my tent or get to the next shelter and see what's going on. So yeah, peace. Yeah, cause I'd be like, what do we say to Mother Nature? Not today.
Okay. It'll be on our Facebook and Instagram.
All right, cool. Hey guys, about to leave Bear Garden Hiker Hostel. Great stay here. If you guys are gonna go by, I definitely recommend to stay. This is the chapel, bunkhouse, privy. Today's gonna be a good day. Let's go. All right, we got these steps, switchback. Let's go. All right, we're making our climb right now. It's definitely a decent climb off the bat. Duration, you just keep inclining as soon as you go up them stairs. Incline, it's definitely up there. Getting flashbacks. Great night yesterday. Good conversations with Butter. You know, shout out to Birdie, aka Breeze. That's her trail name. She let me go see the horses. She asked the neighbor, got to feed the horse. You know, so cool, man. That was honestly awesome. Yeah. Yeah, shout out to them. Great people. Yeah. Yesterday was a big day. Today we'll see where I go. Yeah. It is supposed to rain today. Thunderstorm. But the degrees is gonna be up there. So, you know, thank goodness for that. So, we'll see. Andrew's morning dots. Yesterday was good. Yeah, it was great. Ate some good freezer food. Yeah, good conversations. It was good, man. Food for thought. Yep. All right, still going up. This is definitely decent, guys. So just be prepared for that. Yeah, definitely carried way too much food right now. But Marion, oh man. But it's fine though. Had to stop at a Bird Garden hostel. Had a resupply ship there from where was it? Yeah, Damascus. Yeah, and man, I don't know why I bought food in Marion, but I did. So it was just way too much. I ended up bouncing it, and it's free too. That's so cool. And yeah, Breeze was like, yeah, I'll just take it to the post office. Just give me the address of where you want it to. So I send it down in Daleville. Yeah, Daleville. Because I know Parisburg has like supermarkets there, so I'm gonna just reload there. Maybe like a 1 day or 2 day for that resupply. But yeah, definitely still need to work on logistics. Oh man. Now we're on a straightaway. We got like a good uphill today. I was looking at last night, up towards Chestnut Knob Shelter. So yeah, let's get this workout in, baby. Let's do it. All right, it's pretty nice right now. There are a few bumps, but yeah, nothing crazy. Yeah, let's get the day started. Riding on top of this mountain. Let's go. Wow, it's nice today. Like right now, perfect hiking weather. A little bit of wind, not too hot. Humidity is not that high too. Woo, very nice, very nice. All right, we're coming to a shelter. Not mall shelter. Someone left a bag here. Whoa, look at that picnic table. Very nice. Whoa. You could tell this is new. Whoa. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Wow. Baby, you're a big blue whale. Grab the reef when all the down and fails. I swim, but I wish I never learned. Water's too polluted with germs. Dark feet, when set feet overhead. Grab the reef underneath my bed. Ain't got no quarrels with God. Ain't got no time to grow. Lord knows I'm weak. Somebody get me off of this reef. About to go over there. Crossing this bridge. Nice little water source. I'm good on water right now. It's getting dark. Looks like it's gonna pour like crazy. Look at that. Alright, after that shelter, you're just gonna go smoothly downhill. It's been like downhill and straightaways. Yeah, we are definitely making this decline for this crazy incline, I bet. Yeah, the chestnut knob thing. But yeah, we'll see. Let's go, man. Look at this bridge. This must be an old bridge too. Ah! Wow, it's really flat over here. Oh, I see an incline over there. Let's see if this is it. Let's start it. Let's start it. Alright, we're working our way on this left side of the ridge. Going up. That's the down. Incline. It's there. Nothing crazy steep like the day before. But yeah. Or yesterday, yeah. Alright. That first initial climb, it's definitely duration is long. There is definitely incline there, and then we dip off here, and then we're gonna keep continuing up. It's starting to rain a little bit, but let's go, man. I think I persevere more in like harsher conditions. I don't know. Let's go, man. Let it rain, let it rain. Going all the way up. Woo! Let it rain, let it rain. Let's go. Come on, man. What do we say to Mother Nature? Not today. Not today. It's back again. And I lie here in bed all alone. I can't mend, but I feel tomorrow be okay. Look at that. I just powered through that. I just put my head down and just trudged on. Whoa, look at those eagles. There's two of them. Wow. It kind of stopped raining. Not stopped, but it's a slight drizzle now. Nothing crazy. Yeah, we're going downhill now. Look at this. Whoa. This is crazy. Alright, now we're definitely making our way downhill. There must be another uphill, but look. Woo! Look at that fog. I can see like mountains in the background. Pretty sweet. It's raining now. Yeah, let's go. Woo-wee. I'm so happy that the weather's nice though. It's like hot, you know? Not hot, but like it's not cold. Look at the rain. What in the world? It's blocked off here. Look at this bridge. Where are we supposed to go? Oh, all the way over there. Oh, let's go to that other side. Ha ha! River crossing. I see you, Sonar. I see you. I saw your Instagram. Yeah, let's go. Oh, look at those shoes. He wore those shoes too. Oh, now I'm gonna use my ultras, baby. Let's test these out. Look, watch. Ready? This is how you do it. Boom. Just like that. Just like that. You just walk. You just walk, baby. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh. Look. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Woo. Let's go. I'm already wet, guys, you know? Even if I wasn't wet, I would have just walked right through. I need to test out these ultras. I need to put them to the test. Let's go. Wow, look at this trail. It's beautiful, man. I don't know why. I'm just having such a good time today. All right, this straightaway is pretty long. I've been on it for like a good minute, so it hasn't been too crazy with the elevation or hills. Just that one. Yeah, but it was decent though. It was good. That is for sure. I got a piece of land down in the countryside. It's in the sun. Up that Georgia pie. Ain't it easy? I ever leave, 'cause I know some good friends down the street. Got a good looking woman with her arms around me. Said I want to see you again, but I'm stuck in colder weather. Maybe tomorrow will be better. Can I call you then? Say you're a rambling man. You ain't ever gonna change. You got a gypsy soul to blame, and you were born for leaving. You got a road right there. There seems to be a car right there. Alright. Alright, this is the road going up. I think this is the mountain. Let's see it. Alright, we're slowly making our way up. Let's see what this has to offer. Yeah, I see the road down there. It's like a 4-point. Yeah, it's definitely raining now. That is, yeah. Let's get it. Look at this uphill. Let's start it. Alright, that's where we're going. That's where we came from. As we make our way up, it's just the light gets out. Like, it's a lot lighter here and down below. I love that. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get there. All right, we're on like a slight incline, like straightaway, you could say. We'll see if it starts pitching up. All right, we're on a decent incline now. It just got really steep. Came down all the way like that. Yep. Let's get it. Let's get there. Chestnut nah shelter. All right. Still working my way up.
This section is up there, definitely, that I can remember. This section is definitely memorable for sure. We still gotta go on the steep uphill, but let's go. Let's get there. Just be prepared. All right, small little straightaway. Then we're gonna go all the way here and go straight up. Let's go. All right, making our way on the right side ridgeline, going all the way up. Woo! You know there's something over there. Yeah. This was good. We're not done yet, but woo! This is good. Yeah, this mountain is no joke. That is for sure. The duration is really long. Still working on it, and some spots are just really inclined. Definitely be prepared for this. Yeah, look at this fog just working its way left. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Ooh, finally working our way up. Seems like there's a field. Ooh, 360, 360. What a climb this was. Yeah. Woo. Wow. That's the sky. Woo. Beautiful. Now it just opens up. Oh man. That was good. That was good. Working our way up slightly. Oof. Oop. I fall when you break, I break. You got me all fired up. Look at that cloud. Woo. Oh man, this is just beautiful. It's not even that late right now. And it's so dark out. A little bit more windy up here. Slight little drizzle, you know, nothing crazy. Is that a little river? No, it's a blacktop. Or is it? No, it's a river. It's like a little small little lake. Whoa, that's crazy. Oh, whoa. Look at that. It's just up here. Working our way all the way up there. You're gonna walk on this for a little bit, and it's uphill too. Yeah. Let's go. It's beautiful up here. The wind is starting to kick up just a tad bit. we are still working our way up. Woo! 360. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is a mark over there. Alright, now we're coming into this, not an open field, you could say. Woo! It was windy out there too a little bit. I'm just in my tee. I'm soaking wet. That's fine. I think it's like 50 degrees or maybe 60, maybe like 58 or something. Alright, look at that little pond right there. I think the water source is around here. Let me check gut hooks. It opens up to another field. Just grabbed water from a pipe spring. It was on the right side. Yeah, should be close to the shelter. Right there, sweet. I need to cook my food. Wow, that's a big shelter. Oh man, I wonder if anyone's in there. We'll see. Look guys, boom. It's nice out now. Before it was just really cold. Like ridiculously cold. I mean, the wind was kicking up, the fog was here, it was raining inside the shelter. We're in the shelter right now. There is a privy. I'm with 2 section hikers. They're going Sobo. So yeah, they're staying at the Bear Garden hostel where I just stayed yesterday. But look at that view. I didn't even see this before because it was all covered with fog. Whoa. We're gonna be heading this way. Yeah, it's just beautiful out right now. That's where we stayed right now. 360 view. We came from over there. Tomorrow we're gonna head this way. It's gonna be a pretty nice day tomorrow, as in like elevations. That was some hike today. Wow, like going up that first initial climb after the hostel, and then whoa, this hike after the parking lot, it just kept going up. Like this was definitely up there, guys. Be prepared for that. Whoa, look at that view.